I invite J.C. Charan Lal to introduce the chief guest of the day.
Very good evening, dear JCs, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce this inspiring personality to this august gathering. He has joined JCI movement through JCI Pondicherry Friend City in the year 2015. He held various portfolios at LOM level and zone level. Served as the organizing committee director of Zone Conference in the year 2016. Served as the local organization member secretary in the year 2017 and elevated as the LOM president of JCI Pondicherry Friend City in the year 2018. Served as zone director for growth and development of Zone 16 of JCI India in the year 2019. Served as zone vice president of Zone 16 of JCI India in the year 2020. He has attended 3 national conventions, 4 zone conferences, and also World Congress 2018 held at Goa. He is the recipient of Kamal Patra Award at LOM level in the year 2017, achieved 100% efficiency status from JCI India for effective LOM management, and increased LOM membership by 50%. Under his leadership, his local organization has won Outstanding LOM of the Zone Award and 2 more awards at zone level in the Zone Conference 2018. As a zone director, growth and development, he has achieved positive growth in both the halves with 1,500 members. Also extended new LOMs in the zone. He was very instrumental in getting 15 plus senatorship and mobilized rupees 6 lakhs towards JCI India Foundation. He won Zone President's Excellence Award for the year 2019 for his outstanding contributions in growth and development area. As Zone Vice President, he has extended 2 new LOMs and achieved positive growth in both the halves. On a personal front, he is an engineering graduate with Masters of Business Administration. He is the proprietor of Sai Prajan Cine Eats. He is married to JC Devagi ma'am and blessed with JC Lit's Kritik Sai and JC Lit Prajan Sais. JCs, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome our beloved Zone President and Chief Guest of the day, JCI Senator Yuvraj sir.
Thank you, J.C. Charan Lal. I call upon J.C. Arun Prakash to introduce the guest of honor of the event.
I'm happy to introduce this inspirational personality to this august gathering. He is very humble and down-to-earth person, an able administrator and a visionary academician. He is a founder, trustee, secretary and correspondent of PMC Tech Group of Institutions Hosur since its inception in 1996. His dedication and collaborative efforts helped this institution to attain the state of premier institution in Krishnagiri district. PMC Group of Institutions caters the need of rural and semi-urban students of Krishnagiri, which has Engineering College, Center of Management and Research Studies, Polytechnic College, ITI, Industrial School and a Matriculation School within one campus. His transformational and people-centric approach energized the entire team to perform and deliver results through positive engagement and a shared vision. The institution strives to make students industry-ready or to become entrepreneurs by offering relevant academics, co-curricular and value-added programs. He is an active affiliate of Hostia, Confederation of Indian Industries and Institution of Engineers. He is also engaged in building and construction. He has promoted project iLog Hub, an industrial and logistics hub in an extent of 140 acres at National Highways number 7, Shoolagiri. He has hosted 60 industrial establishments and the projects is envisioned to provide employment to 3,000 people in the field of industrial and logistics sector for this region. JCs, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in welcoming guest of honor of the day, Shri Kumar P. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you, JC Arun Prakash. I request JC Silambarasan to introduce our most beloved Zone Vice President.
Good evening, one and all present here. I'm very happy to introduce this personality to this August gathering. He has joined JCI movement through JCI Vellore in the year of 2015, served as the Director, Secretary, Vice President Management, Coordinator for Green Revolution at LOM level. He served as the LOM President of JCI Vellore in the year 2020. He is the recipient of President Recognition Award at LOM level in the year of 2016. He has won Outstanding LOM Officer Award of the Zone in 2017. He is serving as Vice Chairman of Builder Association of India, Vellore Center. He is Patron of Indian Red Cross Society, Vellore District Branch. He is Managing Director of Construction and Decors. His LOM JCI Vellore has won Outstanding LOM Bulletin Award at zone level in the year 2020. He has attended 5 zone conferences and 3 national conventions. He was born on 20 May 1986. He is a graduate in engineering and is married to Maheshwari and blessed with 3 kids. JC's, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together in welcoming our ZVP JC JFM Elumale. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, JC Silambarasan. I invite Chief Guest of Honor, Zone Vice President JC Vinodini and JC Jasmine to join us for lighting the Kutuvelakku. This House recognizes the presence of the following dignitaries, officials of JCI India. JC JFM N. Elilarasan, past Executive Vice President of JCI India. JC Venkata Subramaniam sir, past Zone President of Zone 16. Zone Governing Board Member, JCI Senator Rakesh, Zone Director for Growth and Development, Zone 16. Welcome sir. JC Madana Ganesh, Zone Director for Junior JC Wing. Past Zone Officers, JC JFF Nagnath, welcome sir. JC Devapriya, past Zone Officer, welcome. JC Senator Chandra Chudeshwaran, past Zone Officer. JC Chandrasekhar Beat, past Zone Officer. JC Ambika Madam, past Zone Officer. Presidents, JC Dilli Babu, JC Hosur Google, President 2020. President 2021, JC Ramesh Achari from JC Hosur. Past Presidents, JC Saravanan, Hosur Brindavan Nagar. JC Indra, past President of JC Hosur Eves. JC Murugesha Pandian sir, Senior JC of JC Hosur. JC Senator Amara Narayana, Founder, President of JC Skillmaster. Past Zone Officer. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all for coming and gracing this occasion.